In this video we'll guide you through 7 essential tips on how to find a good bankruptcy lawyer who can provide you with the best legal advice and representation. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Research and referrals. When looking for a bankruptcy lawyer, start with extensive research and referrals. Ask your friends, family, or colleagues if they have any recommendations. Personal referrals can be incredibly valuable as they come from trusted sources with first-hand experience. Tip 2. Check qualifications. Once you have a list of potential lawyers, it's time to check their qualifications. Verify if they are licensed and registered to practice bankruptcy law in your state. Also, look for any relevant certifications or affiliations with reputable legal associations. Tip 3. Experience matters. Bankruptcy law can be complex, so experience matters a lot. Look for lawyers who have specialized in bankruptcy law for several years. Consider their track record and success rate in handling cases similar to yours. Tip 4. Read reviews and testimonials. Online reviews and testimonials from previous clients can provide valuable insights into a lawyer's reputation and service quality. Check popular review platforms and the lawyer's website for feedback from their clients. Tip 5. Initial consultation. Schedule an initial consultation with the lawyers you are considering. Most bankruptcy lawyers offer a free consultation. This meeting will give you an opportunity to discuss your situation, understand their approach, and assess if you feel comfortable working with them. Tip 6. Transparency and communication. Communication is key during the bankruptcy process. Look for a lawyer who is transparent about their fees, billing practices, and the overall process. Avoid lawyers who promise unrealistic outcomes or don't clearly explain the potential challenges. Tip 7. Cost and affordability. Finally, consider the cost and affordability. While it's essential to find a good lawyer, you should also ensure their fees fit within your budget. Some lawyers offer flexible payment plans, so don't hesitate to inquire about your options. Conclusion. There you have it, our 7 essential tips on how to find a good bankruptcy lawyer. Remember, bankruptcy is a significant step, so having the right legal support is crucial. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.